Ever wondered how to install a toilet by yourself? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to break down this seemingly complex task into manageable steps that even a novice can follow. No need to call a professional plumber when you can do it yourself. First things first, gather all the necessary tools and materials. You'll need a new toilet, of course, but also a wax ring, a pair of adjustable wrenches, a level, a hacksaw, and a pair of rubber gloves. Next, remove the old toilet. Turn off the water supply and flush the toilet to drain the water. Then, disconnect the water supply line. Use one of your adjustable wrenches to remove the bolts that hold the toilet to the floor. Once those are out, lift the toilet straight up and move it out of the way. Now get those rubber gloves on. It's time to remove the old wax ring. Use a putty knife to scrape it off the flange. Be careful not to damage the flange in the process. Once you've removed the old wax ring, place a rag in the open sewer pipe to block sewer gases. Ready for the new toilet? Great. First, install the new wax ring on the flange. Then, remove the rag from the sewer pipe and carefully set the toilet onto the flange. Make sure the mounting bolts pass through the holes in the base of the toilet. Press down firmly to compress the wax ring and create a watertight seal. Next, secure the toilet to the floor. Tighten the nuts onto the mounting bolts, but be careful not to over-tighten and crack the toilet base. Use your hacksaw to trim any excess bolt length. Now, attach the toilet tank. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to ensure a proper fit. Once the tank is secure, attach the toilet seat. Again, follow the manufacturer's instructions here. Finally, reconnect the water supply line. Turn the water back on and let the tank fill. Give it a flush to make sure everything's working as it should. And there you have it. Installing a toilet isn't as daunting as it might seem. Let's quickly recap the process. 1. Gather your tools and materials. 1. Remove the old toilet. 1. Scrape off the old wax ring. 1. Install the new wax ring. 1. Set the new toilet onto the flange. 1. Secure the toilet to the floor. 1. Attach the toilet tank and seat. 1. Reconnect the water supply line. With these steps, you can install a toilet all by yourself. So why not give it a try? Remember, the key is to take your time and follow each step carefully. Happy plumbing!